Another day, another of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines, Siargao. Good day to you all. This is SpeakUP. I'm sure you're interested to know more about the awesome places in our country. So keep watching to find out what this place has to offer. First on the list, where is Siargao? Siargao is a teardrop-shaped island in the Philippine Sea situated 800 kilometers southeast of Manila. Population: it has 94,273 as of 2015. Climate and weather: Siargao has a dry and wet season. Dry season is usually between March and November, and in the other months, monsoon rains are expected. How to get there? By air. Siargao has a small airport named Sayak Airport. Traveling by plane is the most efficient way to get to the island. From Manila, it usually takes 2 hours and only 1 hour from Cebu. By ferry. You can also get to the island via ferries. The main seaport in the island is located in the municipality of Dapa. Other forms of transportation are inland, such as vans, motorbikes, and multicabs. How to get around the island? There are 5 possible ways. By motorbike, which is a common sight in the rural areas of the Philippines. By tricycle, rented motorcycle, bike, and car rentals, which cost 2,500 pesos or around $50 per day. Things to do in Siargao. Number 1. Surf. Siargao boasts the best waves in the country. It is known as a surfing hotspot. The island's famous Cloud9 waves attracts surfers from all over the world. Number 2. Go to Cloud9 Boardwalk and enjoy the view. Cloud9 is one of the popular surf breaks in General Luna, Siargao. The boardwalk is also located within the Cloud9 beach. You can watch surfers from a 3-story view deck at the end of the boardwalk or wait for the beautiful sunrise or sunset. Number 3. Go on a 3-island tour. This popular tour covers Guyam, Naked, and Daku Islands. Each of these islands has something special to offer. Number 4. Visit Magpupungko Rock Pools. It is another famous tourist destination on the island. You can take a dip in its crystal clear waters, particularly during low tide. Number 5. Explore Subba Lagoon. Its cool turquoise waters seem inviting. You can rent canoes, bamboo rafts, and paddleboards. You can also try snorkeling or jumping off a diving platform into its clear waters. Some tips. If you're going to Siargao to surf, September to November can be the best time to visit since various activities are held during these months. If you're going for other activities aside from surfing, then the dry season from March to November is your best bet. Be careful when swimming because of jellyfish that come out depending on the season. Always wear life vests on a boat. Bring aqua shoes for exploring beaches and rocky shores. Also, bring enough cash and make sure to exchange it for peso before going to the island. Credit cards can be used for major transactions. For more details about Siargao, you can check my references below. I hope you enjoyed this feature about this surfing hotspot. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.